Your bank account, your private messages, and every secret on the internet are protected by a mathematical lock that would take a normal supercomputer billions of years to pick. But there's a new kind of machine that can do it in hours. It's called a quantum computer. And it doesn't just play by different rules. It plays a different game. See, current encryption like RSA relies on one simple fact. It's easy to multiply two massive prime numbers together, but it's nearly impossible for a computer to work backward and find those primes from the result. It's like trying to unmix a smoothie to find the exact weight of the original strawberries. But in 1994, a mathematician named Peter Shor proved that a quantum computer could use something called Shor's algorithm to find those hidden numbers almost instantly. Instead of checking one combination at a time like your laptop, a quantum computer uses qubits to explore every possible mathematical path simultaneously. We aren't there yet, but we are getting dangerously close. Researchers just slashed the requirements for breaking these codes, and some experts are now warning that Q-Day, the day current encryption dies, could arrive as early as 2029. The scary part? Hackers are already doing what's called harvest now, decrypt later. They're stealing and storing your encrypted data today, just waiting for the day they can plug it into a quantum machine and read everything you thought was private. The race is on to switch the entire world to post-quantum cryptography before the old locks stop working forever. The clock is ticking.